Hello. Actually, what are the things happening? Actually, you went to Malaysia to meet that Muslim leaders and all. Actually, don't do mistakes. Actually, then that what systematic protest is planning across India to dissolve. Now today how this what destabilize the Nepal government and don't do mistake. Actually, it is not in your control. The nation will get destabilized. I was telling that right from the beginning. I am telling that I have clear cut plans. We can get 400 plus majority through truthful action plans rather than creating any violence or anything. I know to do. That's my confidence. Huh? That's the reason I am when these leaders are playing this kind of to block me. I am keeping quiet because I want to start a new party. That's the reason I am fighting case. I am asking for the compensation also, and I have my research center plan and NGO plan that and all the thing. That's what I was concentrating. So has to form a new alliance because if these leaders are showing this much around, yesterday also you went with a went to Mallikarjun Kharge's granddaughter for giving puppy for birthday and all what these fellows are doing. And so this is what whom you are respecting this whole thing. And so who have sent you to this Malaysia to meet these fellows and see how you are getting trapped into this. Don't believe this Revant Reddy, these kacharas and all. Nobody will be there. These fellows, you know that in September also, September 2024 also, they have screwed up and taken you to US and then the assassination threat was there and nobody was there. How much you cried? Just understand the realities, okay? So, understand that actually these fellows are planning something. Okay, since I was asking Chief Justice to solve actually push forward so much. You are the one alone. If the nation is getting anything, you are the one first has to be killed. You are Ahangara, you are third class dirty family. That's what I'm telling, that the kind of family you are coming from, that how you are trapping people in the sexual trap and how many messages you are sending and you are cracked. You need nice slap and treatment. That's the reason. Crack, you kind of a fella, you are not capable and you don't need, none of your students have any passion or nothing. They just want like you just arrange some degree and grab like for that order you're see I'm not like that. I have a concrete planet. You're a culture fella not even eligible to spell my name even like that kind of a person and you have to murderers and go to your Red Street in Kolkata. That is what your culture na. This Bengal many people told that this Bengali people are like that multi wives and multi sets and multi agent. That's what you are trying to trap people also into that stage, and because of your madness this Rahul Jindal they were innocent. They were doing like out of your fear, how the way you fellas are hijacking the system, these all thing, other thing, take a madness to play around. This is the thing. You need nice slap and you has to be killed. That's it. Actually, Congress leaders don't do. See the nation and every people's life will get scattered. It's my assurance. I will get 400 plus or 500 plus. That's the thing. These Sachin Bal and these fellows cannot do anything. They have see you people are not knowing about me and what are my plans or vision or that you people are. See, just understand the impact. I was able to throw out this UK Prime Minister, US Vice President. So just understand, there is a systematic, strategic way to create awareness. Everybody will be there. All the professional bodies and all the technical institutes, everybody is with me only. So way I told that this side Mumbai I am not talking to because everybody is afraid of him. These fellows in the Bengali lobby, they used to hijack and everybody is afraid. That's the way you people are afraid. The same thing only. There also everybody is afraid. Nobody will talk. I have that frustration. I am running 24/7 and doing the thing. And you push out again, then that will be for your into that thing. Okay, Kachra fraud. See, you're a nuisance. Your madness. Right from the beginning, 2013, I brought that Dhairendra and he was abusing me. That to your. I called him and came out. The way you are showing finger to me. That you recognize slap and treatment. Each and every fellow in IT Bombay is fed up with you because of and all of your students said that's even Abnu is this. What that child, everybody and every fellow fed up with you. Only this Midesh and but Sami. Even Aditi is tell everybody that much because of your activities, your madness, your genetic disorder. That's the thing. And Bill Gates and all, your autism, this kind of culture fraud, you fellas incapability. Even after trapping Geo, what are things that what are celebration? No, incapable, immature fellows. That's the thing. These all things happening. Okay, Ahangaram, Ahandai. No, not respecting people and hijacking. Everybody have a frustration and everybody have rights and all. Okay, that you need to understand that. rather than hijacking or misusing the law enforcement. So in their case now, so actually here yesterday morning 4:30 some Mumbai police or somebody only have come over here, like that people have told me that the early morning. Oh, see this and all na actually Pushpa if something this fellow is not there, they has to kill, and his son is there in the IT Delhi, and these fellows always remember that not anybody, this fellow alone has created this, all creating all the agencies, all the Mumbai police, Kerala police, everybody's because of Abhishek's place. I thought that fake mental record creation also this fellow Abhishek has role, but this is what nobody will talk straight. And for what purpose people are putting effort? There is no need for doing these kind of shows. And see the Western lobby, they want to destabilize the nation, so they will deploy money and all for that. Don't get actually you need to understand that how much nuisance has been creating and all, what is the use, and use common sense. And how what you people got all the privileges and living in the lavish soil, so high class everything, right? That and all the India set that people's hard work. Just understand that my stage, how much hard work you, and 23 years of my hard work in IT Bombay. I was the one 24/7 working, and I didn't go for any enjoyment, and I was 24/7 dedicating, and that me only suffering. I don't have any salary from 2018 onwards only. Still, just understand that this is the stage. Then how much privileges you people are using. So understand that. Okay. So that's the thing. So that's the thing. Actually, big don't go for any of this kind of thing. These they are crack fellows. These fellows not having any common sense. Chittiramaya, this Chivakumar, even a fraud cultural. Don't get into these fellows madness. Okay, be cool. Don't get afraid. I know that fear all out of fear. At that Onam day also I posted that. Actually, when I saw one this Twitter post. So from that I just checked, and I just read this. That person only was posting everything, and I was resharing everything. That's the only thing. So I know that you got afraid. That's the reason people went into this Malaysia and all this thing. So see, this is sort of that Pranidhi, and I was telling how much double that Pranidhi Montana, these all fellas, everybody will be there to screw up. Also I have seen Kamal now came to Delhi last week or something, this week something under. See, everybody will be there. See how much violence they have created in that after Indira Gandhi's assassination, Sikh assassination also, this and all thing. Then what is the use? Just under what people are doing, that karma only will get. Even though you have money, everything and all, do you able to sleep peacefully? So just be. Also this Andaman Nicobar, what is you fellas emergency to do this and that? That is the development project is going on, right? So you people have deal, and what are the things people are doing on the back end? It's a very strange. Don't see, everybody will be there to put up and put in the trap. Everything will be there. So unless nobody will be there in the final stage, you have common sense. There is no point in. I told that through truthful action plans we can get power. That's what I was telling that. And but these fellows now always creating violence, and then my family about me, and what are the stories? I'm propagating. And you push for it's high time you need treatment, and your third that you are Diptesh Divak, that devils only go on, and you used to your wife even fed up with you. That's what you are not even capable to handle your own lab. That's the thing. That's what how a staff of some person is behaving. That reflects how the administrator of that lab or that organization, how it is. That's not your madness, your devilness. And now I know the tech lab, this all the artificial AGI, everything is coming now, so people want to hide this whole thing, and you thought that nicely confidential, and then your activities reflects that. And then I know understood the Lakshman's case also everybody is propagating. Yeah, I myself I have raised a complaint. You culture of party, you are the thing, you went ahead and gave offers to his son, and that's what your mother. These fellas issued to take your mother from the red street, and that is the kind of culture of fraud family. I don't even, I feel ashamed that way. See, I tried to change to Professor Shivkumar, Shivaraman. You only blocked everything and culture of fraud. It's just a headache. How many years? And I am not like you kind of fella where will get some more PhD and that you do something under gameplay. And I have a strong passion, and you are nothing in front of me. Kachra fraud. I have strong, clear foundation on computer science, and you don't even know about me anything. And if I am doing this grinding teeth and this whole thing now for 15 years, I told her to Kachra fraud chat. When I aim test in the set up in the wife in the Monte contour on fraud chat. This is the thing the opposition is going at because of you kind of devil's madness. Catcher fraud, hijacking authority, and you are also not some supreme. Okay, understand that you are so the Nobel Peace Prize on your party. What are the things on hijacking or locking accounts? Who are you thinking? Who do you think of yourself? Understood how the impacts the social media hijacking, how they are have done, and the issue the Chundar Pichai or Marcus or Bagun Madesh Kaprakin young so Thunder was saying, what kind of a fella you are? You are not doing any work and utilizing others, and that's the reason. People have frustration. How you are trapping and spoiling others' life. Talking on to rate a report of Mr. Gawai and go take your wife and daughter and go and save them. Also, I know that how much the BJP devils are attacking people, and that's how people are getting frustrated and reacting. So now the Congress leaders also they want to desperately want fraud murder. So such Sachin Pellet, everybody together. This is also opportunity. So anyway, this is the situation. You understood, right? I don't know what are the things you people are doing on the back.